it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart.
Dati gusto ko lang maging abay sa kasal para makarampa at magmaganda. Ngayon, di ko akalain na gagawin mo akong bida sa wedding natin. At Disney princess ng buhay mo. So now, I will promise na ikaw lang ang prinsipe ng buhay ko. I will protect you and take care of you. Kung noon mag-isa tayo lumalaban sa buhay, ngayon magkaramay na tayo.
Why can't they understand the way we feel? They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all.
Every day I will thank the Lord for giving you as my gift to me. Every day I will pray for you. Every day I will kiss you. Every day I will look for creative ways to predict your needs. Every day I will serve you unconditionally.
When I first met you, I had no idea that this is where we'd end up. Kasi yung love story natin is hindi pang fairy tale. Hindi ko akalain na ikaw na pala ang binigay sa akin ni Lord. True love always find its way. I was once broken, and now I am fully healed and deeply loved.
When destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you got to hold on.
Hello, bebe. Ang ganda mo. Ikaw ang best regalo ni Lord sa akin. Di ko man naramdaman na maganda ko, pinaramdam mo naman na ako lang ang pinakamagandang babae sa mundo.
Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore.
Tandaan mo, no? Si Lyra, she deserves more, pero pinili ka. No? Lyra, si Glenn, he deserves more, pero pinili ka. Okay? No? So, huwag niyong hanapin kung ano yung kapintasan, kundi, no, yakapin niyo pati kapintasan at ibigin niyo isa't isa.
Just